It's a beautiful day in Adelaide, and I'm just driving out now to the Old Port Wakefield Landowners group. This is a group of people that have been working for several years on trying to achieve a development plan overlay for their particular site, which has been rezoned for residential for several years. The benefit of the formation of the landowners group has been once again to cohesively get a group of people working together on a larger scale opportunity rather than working in isolation on their own small parcels of land. Just proves that land assembly is really the key to outcomes, and in this particular case the city of Playford, which is a northern outskirts council in Adelaide, has been very proactive, very positive in support of the efforts of the landowners group. So hoping to achieve another step in the process. Yes. And today we're going to facilitate another discussion with this group of people in Adelaide after another change, and it just shows that even though there are changes, a group of people can achieve a lot if you just continue to focus on the outcome. And there are always challenges and walls, but the group philosophy is the key to the success with projects of this nature.